AeroVironment Inc., ticker symbol AVAV, is a technology firm primarily focused on the design, development, and manufacture of unmanned aerial vehicles, commonly known as drones. The company specializes in producing aircraft that are used for surveillance and reconnaissance by both military and civilian entities. Recently, the stock has shown a new buy signal following a 50% retracement of a recent upward move. This pattern suggests a potential recovery and growth phase for the stock, aligning with broader market conditions. Although the overall market shows a mildly bearish trend within a larger bull market, extreme short-term trends hint at possible support and a forthcoming bounce in market values. Three positive data points indicating AeroVironment's growth include an increase in government contracts reflecting robust demand for its reconnaissance drones, enhancements in its technological capabilities leading to higher efficiency and effectiveness of its products, and expanding international sales, which point to the company's growing global footprint and appeal. These developments suggest that AeroVironment is not only recovering, but also expanding its market influence and operational scale.